Hey YouTube, can you hear that helicopter? I just found a blue news helicopter. I don't know what channel. It's somewhere around here. No. Oh, there it is. I see it. It's like between. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe if I come over here in the clear, right here. Oh, it's kind of too bright. Curse you, son. It's too bright. Somewhere wrong with it, there is this blue news helicopter. I don't know what channel it is. It's hovering over Berwyn. If you don't know what Berwyn is near the city of Chicago, which has the Willis Tower. It's near it. Oh, I can't see. So this is blue news helicopter over there. The blue news helicopter. News helicopter. Let's see if you please tell me what like what is the name? What channel it is? It's a blue news helicopter with white on the side. It has. It's like the Grand Theft Auto Maverick, except it's blue and it has some light blue on it for the words and like a little bit of white blue on the front and then some white on the other side. I just can't figure out what channel this is because it's hovering over Berwyn. I live in Berwyn. I'm trying to find out what channel it is so I can check it on TV. Hey, Giovanni, stop. My little brother just threw a pear at me. Maybe you guys can see it now. You see that little speck right there? That's the helicopter. I can see it clear. What? I grabbed a pear. So please tell me what channel that is. Please in the comments, subscribe. Peace out.